Right now, the world sentiment score is sitting at a neutral plus 0.00, with momentum climbing steadily at plus 0.79. This unusual combination signals a potential turning point. While sentiment is flat, the positive momentum suggests that something might be brewing under the surface. With 20 semantic clusters in play, our API returns insightful data about prevailing themes and sentiments across various domains. This means you can detect shifts and trends before they become mainstream. For example, if you're developing a financial application, you could leverage this data to identify emerging opportunities in sectors that are gaining momentum, but haven't yet influenced overall sentiment. Stay ahead of the curve and dig deeper. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.